Hello everyone, welcome to LMNN classes. I am your Wali Sahab. In this video, we are going to discuss about CAM pathway, cross-relation acid metabolic pathway. It was first discovered by the scientists O'Leary and Rohani. The cross-relation acid metabolic pathway was first discovered by the scientists here O'Leary and Rohani. They observed the carbon dioxide fixation process which occurs during the night time in the members of Crasulaceae family. So here the process of photosynthesis or the carbon dioxide fixation process which occurs in the members of Crasulaceae family at particularly night time. So here this kind of process was first observed by the scientists here O'Leary and Rohani. So here the examples which are related to the Crasulaceae family, they are here agave, aloe vera, bryophyllum, and then cacti, euphorbia, Kalanchoe or Kalanchoe, Opuntia, pineapple, and Welwitschia, etc. So here these are the some examples which are related to the Crasulaceae family members. So here agave, aloe vera, bryophyllum, cacti, euphorbia, Kalanchoe or Kalanchoe, Opuntia, pineapple, and Welwitschia. These are the examples which are related to the Crasulaceae family members. And then here pineapple, which belongs to the family of Bromeliaceae, which also can perform the CAM pathway. And then Welwitschia, which belongs to the gymnosperm plant. So here these are the examples which are related to the CAM pathway. And then here the CAM pathway is a most primitive pathway. Here the CAM pathway is a most primitive pathway than the C3 and C4 plants, or C3 and C4 pathway. So here the CAM pathway is a most primitive pathway. Why did it considered as here the most primitive pathway? Because of here the CAM pathway which also occurs in the fern plants and the gymnosperm plants. So here it is present before the C4 pathway. So here thus the CAM pathway which is also considered as here the most primitive pathway. And then the plants which are adapted to the water conservation process. So here the plants which can perform the photosynthesis like the CAM pathway, cross-relation acid metabolism. The plants which are adapted to the water conservation. That means reduces loss of water by the transpiration process. So here the transpiration process is also reduces in the plants of Crasulaceae members. So here the plants which are mainly adapted to the water conservation conditions and reduces water loss. Here why did the transpiration process is reduced in the cross-relation acid metabolic pathway or CAM plants? Because of here they have the specialized stomata in their leaves. They are scotoactive stomata. Scotoactive stomata. So here the presence of the scotoactive stomata is a main characteristic feature of CAM plants. Because of here, in the CAM plants, the stomata opened during the night time and closed during the daytime. But in the photoactive stomata, the stomata will be open during the daytime and closed during the night time. So here, but in the CAM plants, here the stomata will be open during the night time and closed during the daytime. So here the presence of scotoactive stomata is a main characteristic feature of CAM plants. And then the initial CO2 acceptor in the CAM plants is PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate is a initial CO2 acceptor. Initial CO2 acceptor in the CAM plants. And then the initial product in the CAM plants is the 4-carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid. Here oxaloacetic acid is a initial found product in the CAM plants or CAM pathway. So here, as similar to the C4 plants, here the initial CO2 acceptor is PEP and initial product is here oxaloacetic acid. As similar to the C4 plants, here also the carbon dioxide fixation twice in the CAM pathway. So here the initial CO2 fixation, which is occurs during the night time, which is performed by the PEPcase, phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme, and the final carbon dioxide fixation process, which is occurs during the daytime and performed by the Rubisco. Ribulose 1,5-bisphospho carboxylase oxygenase enzyme. But unlike the C4 plants, here the PEPcase and Rubisco both are present in the mesophyll cells. PEPcase and Rubisco both are present in the mesophyll cells. But in the C4 plants, the PEPcase is present in the mesophyll cell and Rubisco is present in the bundle sheath cell. So here, unlike the C4 plants, here the both PEPcase and Rubisco both are present in the same cell, that is here mesophyll cell. So here in the CAM plants there is no differentiation into mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells. Here only one type of cells which are present in the leaves of CAM plants. They are mesophyll cells. So here the both PEPcase and the Rubisco enzymes which are present in the same cell, that is here mesophyll cell. But in the C4 plants, the PEPcase is present in the mesophyll cell and Rubisco which is present in the bundle sheath cell. So this is the main difference in between the CAM plants and C4 plants. CAM plants and C4 plants. And then here in the CAM plants, here photorespiration occurs. In the CAM plants, the photorespiration process occurs. Unlike the C4 plants, like C3 plants. So here, but in the C4 plants, there is no presence of photorespiration process, or the C4 plants lack the photorespiration process. But here the C3 plants and the CAM plants have photorespiration mechanism. So here, this is also one of the characteristic feature of the CAM pathway. And then coming to mechanism of CAM pathway. Mechanism of CAM pathway. So here, so what will happen during the night time and what will happen during the daytime in the CAM plants? So here, during the night time, the stomata cell will be opened. So here the stomata will be opened in the CAM plants. So here, due to the opening of stomata, the leaf cells can allow the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere into the leaf cells. So here, the PEP, the primary CO2 acceptor in the CAM plants, accept the CO2 molecules from the atmosphere in the form of bicarbonate, and further it converted into oxaloacetic acid and releases inorganic phosphate. So here during the night time, here the PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate, is a primary CO2 acceptor. It accepts the carbon dioxide molecule from the atmosphere when during the opening of stomata. So here during the opening of stomata, here PEP accept the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere in the form of bicarbonate, and further it converted into oxaloacetic acid, which is a 4-carbon compound and first bond product in the CAM plants, and releases inorganic phosphates. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme PEPcase, phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme PEPcase. And then the next reaction, which is also occurs in the mesophyll cells, here during the night time, that is here reduction process. So here oxaloacetic acid further reduced into another 4-carbon compound, that is here malic acid, and releases here NAD+. So here the malic acid, which is produced in the second step of the CAM plants or CAM pathway. So here the oxaloacetic acid further reduced as here malic acid. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme malic dehydrogenase. So here this both two different kinds of reactions which are occurs during the night time. So here the produced malic acid further stored in the large vacuole and causes acidification. Because of here, due to the storage of malic acid in the large vacuole, there are pH is decreased. So here when the pH is decreased in the mesophyll cells during the night time, when the malic acid is stored in the large vacuole, when does the pH levels are decreased in the mesophyll cells during the night time? When the hydrogen ion concentration is increased. So here H plus ion concentration is increased in the mesophyll cells. So here the pH levels are gradually decreased due to the decreasing of pH levels, here acidification is occurs in the C4 pathway, sorry, CAM pathway. This is the first step of the mechanism, CAM pathway. And then during the night time, sorry, during the daytime, here what will happen? So here during the daytime, the stomatas are closed. During the daytime, the stomatas are closed. So here the CO2 is not enter into the leaf cells. So here the malic acid which is stored in the large vacuole of mesophyll cell, it is come out from the vacuole and enter into the cytosol. In the cytosol, the malic acid is decarboxylated into pyruvic acid and releases here the CO2 molecules and NADH. Decarboxylation process. So here during the daytime, the stored malic acids in the vacuole come out from the vacuole and enter into the cytosol. In the cytosol, the malic acid is decarboxylated into the pyruvic acid by the enzyme here, malic enzyme or the decarboxylase enzyme. So here the 4-carbon compound of the malic acid which is further converted into the 3-carbon compound, that is pyruvic acid, by the decarboxylation reaction which is occurs during the daytime. And then the 3-carbon compound, the pyruvic acid is phosphorylated into, that means reacted with ATP molecules and inorganic phosphate to form 3-carbon compound, that is here PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate, and releases AMP and inorganic phosphate. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme pyrophosphodiekinase. Simply we are writing as here PPDK, pyrophosphodiekinase, which is very sensitive to the low temperature. So here the pyruvic acid which is phosphorylated into the PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. This is the last step of CAM pathway. So here there are 4 different kinds of the steps which are also occurs in the CAM pathway as similar to the C4 pathway. So here all these reactions I will explain in the form of diagrammatic representation. So here let us see the diagrammatic representation of the CAM pathway. So here before I will draw the CAM pathway, here one more point which is related to the CAM pathway, that is here deacidification. Because of here the malic acid which is stored in a large vacuole. So during the daytime the stored malic acid come out from the vacuole into the cytosol. So in the cytosol the malic acid is decarboxylated into the pyruvic acid. So here due to the decreasing of H+ ion concentration and increases pH levels in the mesophyll cells. So here causes deacidification. The pH levels which are occurs in the mesophyll cells during the daytime, here alkaline condition. So here that kind of condition which is referred to as here the deacidification. Acidification which is occurs during the night time, Deacidification, which is occurs in the during daytime. These are the two main important points which are related to the CAM pathway. So here let us see the diagrammatic representation of CAM pathway. So here during the daytime the stomatus will be opened. So here the opened stomata during daytime, night time. At night time, at daytime. So here his tomatoes close. So here during the night time, here PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate, which is accept the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere in the form of bicarbonate. So here the PEP, which is accept the carbon dioxide and further converted into here oxaloacetic acid, which is a 4-carbon compound. This 4-carbon compound reduced into the malic acid. So here the total 2 processes which are also occurs during the night time. And then this produced malic acid which is stored in the vacuole. So here this is the vacuole and malic acid is enter into the vacuole and stored in the organic form. And then this is the chloroplast. Here starch is present and triose phosphate, and this is the PEP. So here chloroplast. So here during the night time the stomatos will be opened. So here the open stomatos can allow the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere into the mesophyll cells. So here in the mesophyll cells the PEP, the 3-carbon compound, accept the carbon dioxide and further it converted into oxaloacetic acid. This is the first reaction which is catalyzed by the enzyme PEPKase, phosphoenol pyruvate kinase. And then in the second step the oxaloacetic acid further reduced into the malic acid. So here malic acid is produced in the mesophyll cells and further stored in the large vacuole and causes acidification. So here the acidification which is occurs during the night time in the CAM plants. And then during the daytime the stomatos are closed. So here the closed stomatos are not allow the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So here the malic acid which is stored in the vacuole come out from cytosol. So here which is come out from the cytosol and further it is decarboxylated into pyruvic acid. So here in this process here CO2 molecules are released. The released CO2 molecules which are enter into the C3 cycle, which is occurs in the chloroplast. So here the starch is synthesized by the process of Calvin cycle or the PCR cycle. And then here the pyruvic acid is further phosphorylated into PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate. So here in this process here the ATP molecules are utilized. And then the PEP is further converted into here the triose phosphate during the daytime and further converted into here starch. So here due to the decarboxylation of malic acid into the pyruvic acid, here pH levels are increased due to the hydrogen ion concentration decreases. Due to the decreasing of hydrogen ion concentration. So here the pH levels are increased in the mesophyll cells during the daytime and causes deacidification. So here this is about the both acidification and deacidification reactions which occurs during the night and daytime in the CAM plants. Here one more point which is related to the CAM pathway, that is here the carboxylation. I will write here carboxylation and reduction. Carboxylation and reduction. Both different processes are the reactions which are occurs during the night time. And then the regeneration of PEP or phosphorylation of the pyruvic acid. So here the decarboxylation and Calvin cycle, C3 cycle, and then regeneration or phosphorylation reactions. These three reactions which are occurs during the daytime in the CAM plants. So here this is about the CAM pathway.